Hello, Charles. Hi, this is Tony Finley here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile north of the Galleria on Highway 31. Hey, Charles, you inquired about a 2019 Kona. I have a beautiful 2019 Kona here, black. This is what we call an SEL. Has beautiful LED daytime running lights, headlights, come with the aluminum wheels, flashes on the outside, has a smart key with a push button start. It also got here on this particular vehicle cloth interior. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Cloth interior, power windows, power door locks, tilt and cruise. Also has here the Android and Apple Play capability, the floating monitor, does have heated seat. It is an automatic with the Shiftronic transmission, meaning you can drive like a manual or a normal automatic. Does have here the cloth interior. The seats do raise here, so you can get very comfortable as a driver. Now, the vehicle comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which here at Tameron, we doubled that to 20 years, 200,000 miles, no cost and no strings attached. Has a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. Now, hey, I have this one in stock, so give me a call at 205-380-6250, or Charles, you can hit me on my cell at 205-335-3988. Hey, that's Tony Finley here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 1 mile north of the Galleria on Highway 31.